Hello everybody! In today's video I show you how I fixed a burning spot on my kitchen countertop. I accidentally burned it and it left a pretty noticeable mark. Let me walk you through the process step by step. First I grabbed my Dremel tool and carefully removed all the burnt residue from the countertop, making sure to leave only the undamaged material. After that, I cleaned up all the dust and dried the area using a heating fan to make sure it was ready for repair. I ordered a countertop repair kit from Amazon. It came with several wax pieces that can be melted and mixed. I selected the colors that best matched my countertop color, melted them, and started mixing to get the right tone. Then I filled in the damaged area with the melted wax mixture. Once the wax cooled down, I gently sanded the surface to level it with the rest of the countertop. I repeated the melting, mixing and filling steps a couple more times to improve the color match and texture. In the end, I got pretty decent fix. It's not perfect, but it's huge improvement and much better than having a black burned spot on the counter. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you.